how do you wake up in the morning? So from tomorrow on, whenever you wake up, say three things to your mind, three expectations that you want to achieve the day. It doesn't matter how big, how small it is, but whatever you want to achieve, tell your mind that, and then wake up. So it has to be very small things at first, so that your confidence increases. But it happens in 1 hour. It starts happening in 1 hour. So whatever way you think, you visualize your thought process are, it starts happening. So it has to be very small, so that you can recognize, because bigger things will have its own implication, which we are not yet accustomed to, so we can't recognize. So always start with small things. For example, I start with like how my relationship will be today, very positive, with somebody with whom I haven't been doing very well recently. So this is one hack we can start our day with, and this also gives us more confidence about using our power of mind.